description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And, yeah, I'm doing 3 today. Well, you'll see it today and on the following 2 days that I found at bargain stores here in beautiful downtown Kenmore, Washington. We've got a Dollar Tree, and this one and the next one are from that place. And then I got one from grocery outlet bargain market. But this one, NeoStar Ramen Delight Spicy Chicken. We'll see how delightful it is. One would hope that it has somewhat of a logical nomenclature. So this one, I'm not expecting much from. The next one, however, is a repackaging of one I've reviewed before. At least as far as I can tell, that's the only thing that's changed with it. It could be more than that, but that one was incredibly good. So we will see how it goes. Let's add our boiling water. It calls for 1 1/4 cups. Boy, what a load of crap that is. Oh, I see. I see. And 3 minutes. So, yeah. Ended up having like the worst headache last night, so I'm still kind of coming to from that. That's funny. Where is it? I know this one has one. Yeah. Yeah, it's got a line in the cup, but it's like, it says 300 mils or 1 1/4 cups of water, and this barely covers it at 300 mils. But whatever, I'm doing what it told me to do. This is going to be grossly salty, I think. Let me look at this again. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think so. 1 1/4 cup, 300 mil. And if you look at this, it's usually I just go by the line, but I don't know if you can see it, but the line is right here. So we'll see. But there's no way that normally if you set this for 3 minutes without really working it like I'm doing right now, that it would ever hydrate in time. I really don't think so. But I don't think there's really going to be any love loss on this, because this stuff I remember was pretty filthy. I've got a couple more of them too that were sent by James from Lakeside, California. I think it's pretty consistently bad. I had the savory chicken and I had the savory shrimp, and I think they're spicy counterparts to both of those. I'd really like this to get done, but I don't know if that's gonna happen. I don't know. I'll try it this way, and then I'll probably just have to add some water and microwave it, which kind of sucks because I'm kind of strapped for time. My wife had to go out to an appointment, and then she's going to come back, and then we're going to go somewhere. So I'm skipping the walking today. I don't know. I'm just not feeling it. I never get headaches, really. So I'm okay. Oh yeah, this is so not done. I mean, it's working on it, but I don't even think if I would have filled it to the line, it would be a happy camper at this point. But we're working on it, folks. I'm giving it the benefit of the doubt, but my doubt is pretty high at this point that 300 mils is the correct amount. Maybe they make cups too, and they decided that they would not read before they created the thing. But we'll see. We'll see. Okay. The other one says the same thing that I'm doing. So I don't know. All right, here is our really looking underdone, feeling very funky noodle. Wow. Very salty. Their instructions on the packaging are wrong, folks. No. So I am going to, I'm going to fill it to the line. It's like, fill it to the line or do this much. And that's really unkind of them. Yeah, and okay, hold on. Gotta move junk out of the way. I'm gonna put this in for like a minute and a half. Whoa, 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 no. Because I want to do that at, we'll just do it for a minute. At 70%. But, alright. That should work. What a troublesome deal. But yeah, it bums me out because I just want it to work. It shouldn't require a whole heck of a lot. And my daughter would say a whole heck lot, but you know. That should be fine. I'm not really all that worried about it at this point. But yeah, there is a line, and it looks like it should be at that line because it's so salty. I mean, it's like filthy salty. There's no way anybody would want to eat it if you added 300 mils. It's still not up to the line. It's better, but the noodle isn't all that wonderful. There's your broth. No. Is it spicy? Yes. Is it death spicy? No. Is it a reasonable spiciness? Sure. Do I like it? Absolutely not. Is it a 0 star? No, but it's close. Would I recommend this to anybody? People who just don't care. It's dollar store instant noodles, folks. What are you really expecting out of this? But will I add an egg? That's a tough one. I'm gonna skip an egg on this. And I'm just gonna leave it as that. I really am not finding anything really all that redeeming out of this. Especially when they do it's like, your instructions are completely wrong. Completely. You're not going to get any return customers doing things that way, especially if they follow the instructions. I mean, I would guess that 90% of people wouldn't even read the instructions and just see the line on the inside of the bowl. So, anyways, yeah, it rotates. It does have an artificial chicken flavor, but I'd say skip it, folks. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out, and yeah, I help you out by eating that for you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.